Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be talking about the Medicube PDRN ampules. This is how the Medicube PDRN ampule looks like. It comes in a pink box where you get 10 different ampules. I have used up 6 of them and today I just have only 4 remaining. So the ampule packaging looks like this. It comes in a plastic thick coating ampule, and then there is this cap that you have to snap open, and then there is this product which is the PDRN. You can use one ampule at a time and you can use it all over your face and then your neck area. So it's just a very interesting ingredient that we're going to be diving deep in this video, and we're going to be talking in detail what does PDRN stand for, what does it do, and what are its benefits. So I've used 6 of them and I used it around alternate days to give you this detailed review. Now, talking about this ampule in detail, why did they come up with this ampule idea? Because ampules have this 99% of PDRN, and it actually, when applied, has the fresh application of PDRN onto your skin. So when you see the dropper bottles of the serums, they don't have the fresh ingredient. When it is stored in an ampule, it stays fresh for a longer duration of time, and when you snap that ampule open and it sits on your skin and it is fresh, so it gives the best benefit without even losing the shelf life of the product. So when you look at this product here, so what are the different ingredients present in it? The first ingredient, the star ingredient that we have to talk about, is the PDRN. Now, what is a PDRN? So PDRN stands for polydeoxyribonucleotide. So it is extracted from salmon sperm. It's going like a hype ingredient right now, but there is no deep research done on it. Although there are so many research that claim that it helps with the collagen production, helps with the dry skin condition, and also fades some pigmentation mark. So it has quite promising effects, and it's a star ingredient already. Other than PDRN, in this formulation there are 7 different types of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It holds water onto the top layer of your skin. When there is 7 types of different hyaluronic acid, so it penetrates into the different layers of the skin and it sits on different layers, providing hydration to each layer. Hence, it improves the dry skin type condition and overall hydration of the skin. It also has niacinamide. So niacinamide helps with uneven skin tone and also fades pigmentation marks. So overall together, this is making up a very good skincare ingredient, concentrating towards the dry skin type and uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation skin types. It also has soluble collagen and elastin, which helps in the skin elasticity and skin firmness. It also has glutathione. Now, glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. It helps with the fairness of the skin and removing the free radicals, which can lead to aging of the skin. It also has panthenol, which is vitamin B5. It helps with the skin repair and barrier functioning. Now, giving the gist about how does PDRN work and how does the mechanism actually takes place. So I'm going to tell you in simplest way possible, not diving deep into the scientific knowledge. The simplest way possible is that these PDRN are the nucleotides that sits on the surface of the skin. Now, these are broken down and taken up by the skin cells. Now, these skin cells take it for the DNA fragment as well as DNA repair, and hence it improves the overall skin condition or the skin cell structure. This process of taking up the nucleotide and repairing the DNA is known as the salvage pathway. Other than this, what happens next is that these fragments usually sit on the A2A receptors on the skin cells, which triggers the collagen production, and hence it improves the elasticity on your skin. There are numerous research that suggests that PDRN application can help with reducing the inflammation. It has a particular pathway that is CAMP pathway synthesis. So clinically, it has been seen that this serum not only helps with the skin hydration, where it was observed that 58.7% showed increase in the hydration of the skin, whereas the 38% showed a glow improvement on the skin. This says that it has been clinically backed and probably has promising results. It is about the PDRN itself. But when we talk about this whole formulation, who all can use this product? This is the most asked question that I usually get. So the first type of people who can use it are very dry to dry skin type. Actually, I fall into that category because I fall into the very dry to dry skin type. Other than that, you can use when you are normal to dry. And also you can use if you are dry to a bit oily. It's fine, you can use this serum. But if you are someone who is oily to extremely oily skin type, maybe the only thing that you can observe applying this ampule is that it might help you with anti-inflammatory properties by reducing the redness, but overall moisturization and the glow probably, yes, also might help you with the glow. Can pregnant women use this product? Yes, you can use it, but I would like to be very honest by saying that there hasn't been a lot of research on the pregnant woman applying this particular brand and this particular ampule. Although PDRN is known as safe during pregnancy, but it doesn't mean that it is 100% safe. If you want to really use this product on your face and you are breastfeeding or you're pregnant, then I would recommend that you take one's consultation from your physician or your dermatologist just to be sure what you are applying for during your pregnancy and breastfeeding time. Remember that this is a nucleotide which is taken up by the cells, so it doesn't get absorbed directly into your blood cells. So it might not be that alarming, but it is always a good choice to once ask your doctor before applying something. When you're pregnant and when you're breastfeeding, usually your skin is super sensitive. And remember that there is a fetus growing inside you. Not all the products out there in this market that has been sold, which has been told by the influencers that it is really good, is supposed to be good for the pregnant and breastfeeding women. Now to the part that will I be purchasing this product ever? And the answer is yes, I would be purchasing this product again and again and again, because this has helped me with conditions like super dry skin type. Usually during the winter time, my skin tends to dry out and I am like a drought soil. So it is better to use something that hydrates my skin. I suffer from dry skin type condition. I do have a lot of dry skin on my body and also on my face. Sometimes when I go out in the cold, the moisture has been sucked away. So it's better to use something that instantly brings that hydration. How you can use it, like take one ampule at a time. After you take this ampule, you just snap this head open and then pour the liquid onto your hand, nicely massage it on your face and also your neck area. Then you can top it up with a proper moisturizer. You can use CeraVe moisturizer. For me, I would say that I like CeraVe moisturizer more because it does moisturize your skin and also has this mattifying effect. So it is excellent for the people who are not looking for oily moisturizers. Or you can use the La Roche-Posay Balm Moisturizer, that is Cica Balm, and I love that moisturizer also, but it does have this heavy feeling after applying. So it's better that you decide which one do you like, mattified version or the oily one, and you can choose the moisturizer accordingly. But it can help you with fine lines rather than improving the texture. So for the proper synthesis of collagen and boosting that collagen production, you need different treatments that are available, that is prescribed treatments, and you can consult your dermatologist accordingly. Whereas in this, you can get more hydration and glow, and your complexion might improve, but it might not give you that potent result that you are looking for. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Write down in the comment section also what video would you like to see next, and I will make a video on it. Thank you so much. Bye guys. See you.